Hey everybody, in this lesson we're going to be learning the song Jingle Bells. We're using our sheet music called Easy Holiday Duets, which you can download at the link below. Now since this is a duet, it means there are two parts playing together. Part 1 is the melody and part 2 is the harmony. So in this lesson we're going to get started learning the melody, which is part 1. Let's start by listening to the entire melody from beginning to end. Now to help us practice this melody, we're going to break it down into 4-measure phrases and we'll practice at a slower tempo. So let's start with phrase 1. Here's phrase 2. Now here's phrase 3. And finally, we have phrase 4. Now that we've practiced all 4 of our phrases at a slower tempo, we're going to put them all together and try to play the whole song. So there you have the melody for Jingle Bells, part 1 of our duet sheet music. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to play the harmony part, which is part 2. Now, if you're playing this song by yourself, you could play part 1, the melody, or you could find a friend to play along with, and you could create a duet with part 1 and part 2 together. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.